the most beautiful islands in Thailand. Thailand certainly isn't lacking gorgeous islands. Many people have already heard of, and maybe even visited, the likes of Phuket and Koh Samui. But how about going somewhere different on your next visit to the land of smiles? Here are the most stunning islands to add to your Thailand bucket list. Number 12. Koh Samui. Located in the Andaman Sea, Koh Samui is the largest of the Samui Islands. It has white sandy beaches lapped by striking blue waters, in which you'll find the best diving and snorkeling spots in Thailand. The island is home to a fascinating array of birdlife too, and the sunset vistas are incredible. Number 11. Koh Samui. Koh Samui is developed enough to be comfortable, yet rural enough to still have a rustic charm. Sublime sandy beaches ring the island, with dense patches of mangroves that are perfect for exploring by kayak. Villages are largely comprised of traditional wooden homes on stilts, nestled in between groves and rubber plantations. Number 10. Koh Samui. The little sister of Koh Samui, Koh Samui appeals best to honeymooners, or anyone else seeking an idyllic escape with stunning views. The resorts are spectacular in their own right, with gorgeous pools and opulent rooms. Away from the flashy accommodation, however, you'll find a laid-back farming community that still lives according to old traditions. Golden sands sit next to shallow rocky bays, and the island is a great launchpad for snorkeling, rock climbing and kayaking. Number 9. Koh Phi Phi Don. Koh Phi Phi Don is a major tourist destination. It may be hard to fully appreciate the beauty through the crowd sometimes, but hike up to the viewpoint, and you'll quickly see why the island deserves popularity. A narrow isthmus is a scenic highlight, with two curved sandy bays sitting between verdant mountains. Limestone karsts covered with greenery rise spectacularly from the sparkling waters. Number 8. Koh Phi Phi Lo. The smaller of the Phi Phi Islands, Koh Phi Phi Lo is uninhabited, and there's no accommodation. That doesn't mean it's quiet though. Droves of day trippers make their way here every day, drawn by the seductive beauty of Maya Bay. The tropical beach was made famous in the Danny Boyle blockbuster The Beach, 2000. With jungle and jagged rocks behind you and karsts almost enclosing the pristine waters in front, the soft white sands offer striking views in all directions. Traditional longtail boats add to the sublime scenes. Number 7. Koh Jum. The charming Koh Jum offers a rare sense of peace and tranquility when compared with the more popular islands nearby. There are several places to stay, meaning that you can enjoy the scenery and relaxed lifestyle for longer than a quick day trip. The tree-lined beaches have fine, coral-colored sands that meet clear waters. Longtail boats may be seen bobbing on the waves in the distance. Take time to explore the mangroves and traditional villages too, and you're sure to fall in love. Have you heard about cryptocurrencies and don't know how to start earning money with it? Click on the description link or scan the QR code on the side and access Binance and learn everything about the platform. The safest way for you to invest in cryptocurrencies and earn money. Number 6. Koh Lanta. Koh Lanta may not have impressive limestone formations, but it makes up for that with silky stretches of sands and an overall more grown-up air. The rugged forested hills and mangroves offer great views and adventures away from the seductive sands. Take time to learn about the local Moken community. Also referred to as Chow Lo Sea People, the group is especially known for its awesome free-diving abilities. Number 5. Koh Mook. Tourism has been fairly slow to reach the gorgeous Trang Islands in general. It's a shame, but it also lets them keep their natural loveliness. The craggy Koh Mook has picturesque swimming beaches and forests, as well as quaint fishing villages. However, the main appeal for many is the sublime Emerald Cave, known in Thai as Tam Morakot. It can only be accessed from the ocean during low tide. Enter the cave and swim through the darkness, while the crashing sounds of waves fill the air, until you eventually see light. On exiting the cave, you'll find yourself faced with a beautiful sandy beach that's surrounded on 3 sides by towering rocks and water gently caressing the 4th side. Number 4. Koh Kraden. Another of the Trang Islands in the crystalline waters of the Andaman Sea, Koh Kraden is picture perfect. It's a dream that comes with coral-colored sand, lush foliage, and shading palms. Wade out far enough, and you can snorkel right from the beach. Laze in a hammock, relax on the sands, soak up some rays, lap up the views of nearby islands, and enjoy the good life. Number 3. Koh Nak is the largest of the three Kai Islands between Phuket and Koh Samui. Although it gets relatively few visitors, the pale sands and blue waters quickly prove striking to anyone. There's no accommodation on the island, and it's usually visited en route to Koh Lipe. The postcard-worthy views, however, make the effort of getting here well worth it. Number 2. Koh Lipe. Word of the splendor here has spread fast, with the island now seeing large numbers of tourists. As part of the Tarotao National Marine Park, it's a good starting point for awesome diving and snorkeling adventures. The island has a good selection of accommodation, restaurants, and bars. It should go without saying that it also has splendid beaches. Number 1. Koh Phangan. On the Gulf of Thailand, Koh Phangan is known for being Thailand's main party island. That doesn't mean it's not also an eye-catching island with plenty of natural wonders. Move away from the beach bars and party hotspots, and you'll find pristine beaches, photogenic coastal rocks, waterfalls, forests, and terrific lookout points. The video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot for us to continue bringing this type of content here. Until the next video.